Hello everyone! Welcome sa video namin na Mastering Differentiation. Naisip niyo na ba kung paano natin nalalaman kung gaano kabilis nagbabago ang isang bagay? Like speed, growth, or slope ng graph? Kaya dito sa session na ito, dyan pumapasok ang differentiation. At the end of the presentation, the learners are expected to first, define and explain the concept of differentiation and its real-life applications. Second, identify and apply the basic and advanced rules of differentiation in solving problems. And last, in order to solve and analyze functions by using appropriate differentiation techniques. Ngayon, ano nga ba ang differentiation? Differentiation is a concept in calculus that measures how a quantity changes with respect to another. It is often used to find the rate of change or the slope of a curve at a specific point. Hindi lang ito pang math, ginagamit din ito sa physics, such as velocity and acceleration, engineering fields such as design and motion analysis, and last, economics, such as cost and profit optimization. To better understand, let's define important terms in differentiation. First, we have function, or f of x. Function is a relationship between variables where one value depends on another. Derivative is the result of differentiation. It represents the instantaneous rate of change or slope of a curve. Variable. Variable is a symbol that is usually x that represents a changing value. Constant. Constant is a fixed value that does not change. And for the last two, rate of change is how fast one quantity changes compared to another. And slope, it is the steepness of a graph at a certain point. Now we would like to proceed on how to solve the basic rules of differentiation led by Nino Francisco.
First, we have the power rule. Paano ito gamitin? Simple lang. I-multiply mo yung exponent, then babawasan mo yung one exponent. Let's try an example. F of x equals x raised to the fifth power. So, step 1, kunin natin yung exponent, which is 5. Then, gawin natin siyang coefficient. Next step, babawasan natin yung exponent ng 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, ang magiging sagot ay f prime of x equals 5x raised to the fourth power. Next, we have the constant rule. Dito naman, kapag constant lang yung function, ang derivative niya ay 0. Example, f of x equals 9. Since 9 is just a constant and walang variable, automatic ang sagot ay 0. So, the final answer is f prime of x equals 0. Next, let's move on to the constant multiple rule. Paano ba ito gumana? Simple lang. I-keep mo yung constant or yung number sa harap. Then, i-differentiate mo lang yung variable part. Unang example, f of x equals 6x raised to the fourth power. Dito, yung 6 ay constant. So, copy lang natin yung 6. Then, differentiate natin yung x raised to the fourth. The derivative of x raised to the fourth is 4x raised to the third. So, multiply natin. 6 times 4x raised to the third. Final answer. F prime of x equals 24x raised to the third. Now, let's go to the sum and difference rule. Dito naman, i-differentiate mo isa-isa yung bawat term. Unang example, f of x equals x raised to the third plus 4x raised to the second minus 2x. Differentiate each term one by one. X raised to the third becomes 3x raised to the second. 4x raised to the second becomes 8x negative 2x because negative 2 becomes negative 2. So the final answer is f prime of x equals 3x raised to the second plus 8x minus 2. So tandaan lang, sa constant multiple rule, keep mo yung constant, then differentiate the variable. Sa sum and difference rule, isa-isahin mo lang ang bawat term. And for the advanced rules of differentiation, sincerely yours, Emmanuel Timbol.
The product rule and quotient rule. Madali lang tandaan ang difference nila. Kapag minumultiply ang dalawang functions, product rule ang gagamitin. Kapag may division or fraction, quotient rule naman. Let's start with the product rule. Ginagamit ito kapag ang dalawang functions ang pinagmumultiply. The formula is dx over dy is equals to f prime of x times g prime times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. It means derivative ng first times second plus first times derivative ng second. So parehong may contribution yung dalawang functions. Example, let's say we have f of x is equals to x squared times x cubed. Here, dalawang functions ang pinagmumultiply, x squared at x cubed. Step 1. Differentiate each part. Ang derivative ng x squared ay 2x at ang derivative naman ng x cubed ay 3x squared. Moving on sa step 2, apply the product rule. So, f prime of x is equals to 2x times x cubed plus x squared times 3x squared. So sa step 3 naman, isi-simplify na natin yung function. So magiging 2x to the fourth power plus 3x to the fourth power. So ang final answer natin ay magiging 5x to the fourth power. So again, tandaan lang, derivative ng first times second plus derivative ng first times second. Next naman ang quotient rule. Ginagamit ito kapag may division sa function. The formula is dx over dy is equals to g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x squared. Kung gusto nyo ng madaling way para matandaan, bottom times derivative of top and top times derivative of bottom all over bottom squared. Medyo mahaba siya, pero practice lang. Example, let's try this function. F of x is equals to x cubed all over x plus 2. Step 1, identify the top and the bottom. So ang top ay ang x cubed at ang nasa baba naman ay ang x plus 2. At ang susunod na step dun ay di-differentiate na natin sila. Ang derivative ng x cubed ay 3x squared at ang derivative naman ng x plus 2 ay 1. Pagkatapos nating i-differentiate ay i-apply na natin yung formula. So, magiging x plus 2 times 3x squared minus x cubed times 1 all over the quantity of x plus 2 squared. Step 4, sisimplify na natin. So, magiging 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x all over the quantity of x minus 2 squared. So, ang final answer natin ay magiging 2x cubed minus 6x squared all over the quantity of x plus 2 squared. At ayun lang. And for the special functions of differentiation naman, sincerely yours, Eman Uson.
Ngayon, magsimula naman tayo sa special functions of differentiation. Meron tayong dalawa, ang trigonometric functions at ang exponential functions. Let's start with the basics. Ang sin x, ang magiging derivative niya ay cosine x. Ang cosine x, ang magiging derivative niya ay negative sin x. Ang tangent x, ang magiging derivative niya ay secant squared x. Ang cotangent, ang magiging derivative niya ay negative cosecant squared x. Ang secant x, ang magiging derivative niya ay secant x tangent x. At ang cosecant x, ang magiging derivative niya ay negative cosecant x cotangent x. Ngayon, sa exponential functions, ang e of x, ang magiging derivative niya ay e of x. Parehas lang. Habang sa ln x, ang magiging derivative niya ay 1 over x, where a must be greater than 0. Now, example, for exponential function, f of x is equal to 3x, 3e raised to x. So first, ang gagawin natin ay i-bring down natin ang 3 multiplied by the derivative of e raised to x, which is also e raised to x. So ang magiging sagot natin ay f of x is equal to 3e raised to x. Next, let's have some examples. So first, for a trigonometric function, let's find their derivatives. So we have here f of x is equal to sine 3x. So first, hanapin natin ang derivative ng sine x. So ang derivative niya ay cosine x. Then i-bring down natin ang 3x, then i-multiply natin sa kanila ang derivative ng 3x. Magiging ganito. F of x is equal to cosine 3x. Now, what is the derivative of 3x? Ang magiging derivative niya ay 3. So, i-multiply natin sila sa 3. So, ang ating magiging final derivative ay f of x is equal to 3 cosine 3x. Now, para sa exponential function, meron tayong f of x is equal to 5x squared e raised to x plus 3x e raised to x. So first, meron tayong gagawin dito. So dahil ito ay nagmumultiply sila, gagamit tayo ng product rule. So magiging derivative nito ay f of x is equal to 5x squared times the derivative of e raised to x, which is also e raised to x, plus e raised to x times the derivative of 5x squared, which is 10x, plus 3x times the derivative of e raised to x, which is also ex, plus e raised to x times the derivative of 3x, which is 3. Now, isi-simplify na lang natin. So, ang magiging sagot ay f prime of x is equal to 5x squared e raised to x plus 10x e raised to x plus 3x e raised to x plus 3e raised to x. Now, iko-combine natin ang like terms. So, ang magiging final na sagot natin ay f prime of x is equal to 5x squared e raised to x plus 13x e raised to x plus 3x. Ngayon, para sa ating summary, tawagin natin si Keisha Agagate.
Hi! For the summary, in this tutorial we learned the concept of differentiation and important definitions and terms, basic and advanced rules of derivatives, and how to apply them in solving problems. Or in simple terms, for our conclusion, differentiation is not just a math topic. It is a powerful tool that helps us understand change in the real world. By mastering its rules and concepts, you can solve complex problems and apply them in different fields like science, engineering, and economics. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Remember, practice makes progress. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!